Masterminds. I am Kavya Purushothaman, student of Masterminds pursuing CA Inter. Today I am here to introduce our Balaji campus. It is one of the campuses of Masterminds. Me along with my friends are going to take you on a tour to Balaji campus. Hope you will enjoy it. Now my friend will be continuing.
Hi guys, here we are in the lobby of Masterminds Balaji campus where we can carry out our queries regarding this campus. On entrance of our campus, you can see the reliable power generator to ensure peaceful learning. And 24/7 watchman service is also available to look over the college. You can see the ample space for parking for students and staff.
Hi guys, here is our academic principal. He looks over all our academic related issue and monitoring us regularly by interacting with students. The students are counseled by the academic principal with latest performance basis on weekly reports, and they are also monitored personally by the academic principal. Now my friend will be continuing.
Hey guys, the entire Balaji campus is covered with fire safety system, and this is the parents waiting area. So the parents can wait here for their children during the midtime. And here is our campus in charge, who will be available to take care of our queries relating to admin for smooth functioning of the campus. And they will be monitoring the entire campus premises through CC cameras.
The lift facility is provided for all the students and staff members. Let's move into the floors. Shoe racks are also provided for the students. Shoes or any kind of footwears are not allowed into the classroom because the entire classroom consists of air conditioning.
Notice boards are available for each and every class which educates and motivates the students. And all corridors are covered by CC cameras which helps in smooth functioning and security to the students. And here the classes are being conducted. Let's move and know more about it.
The classes are fully digitalized and even last bench students also can easily visible. The classes are taught by faculty and they have good interaction with all students.
So limited liability partnership, how many minimum number of partners? How many minimum number of partners for limited liability partnership?
The classroom contains dual projectors for both sides of the classrooms. Fully HD video camera is fixed for the convenience of the online students. And the entire classroom is also being monitored by our class in charges. The students can feel comfort and they can sit in these benches for 9 to 10 hours in daily without any inconvenience. The cardless mic is also provided to the students for raising the doubts during the classes.
Now I am going to show the best academic program, the examination hall, in which exams are being conducted, which will be monitored by our invigilator and also through CCTV cameras with a perfect discipline and strict manner. The examination will be conducted on the syllabus which was taught by our faculty in the previous week. The students are also provided suggested answers for their self-evaluation after completion of the test. The toppers are awarded with gift for the best performance. Wonderful program, PDP, Personality Development Program, which helps the students to increase their communication skills. This program includes group discussions and debates on the latest current affairs, which increases the creativity and reduces the stage fear of the participants. Think CACMA, join Masterminds, the pride of India.